Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying the system recognizes the card and the driver matches your GPU. Once done, make sure power and BIOS settings are correct and fans spin. Insufficient power causes idle GPUs. Next, close unrelated processes and run NVIDIA SMI or Task Manager to observe 0% usage and capture the PID. This gives you an immediate baseline, so you know whether the issue is recognition, power, or a stuck process before moving to deeper fixes. You now gather detailed diagnostics. Query the GPU status and read kernel logs to find errors or clock throttling. If drivers look healthy, perform a controlled driver reset. Restart the display manager or use vendor reset utilities. Then run a synthetic workload like GPU burn to force utilization. Make sure your CUDA and library versions match the driver. Mismatches or container bindings often leave the GPU idle. If you see clocks stuck low, that points to power, driver, or thermal policy needing attention. You finish by performing a clean driver and CUDA reinstall, then reboot and rerun NVIDIA SMI to confirm recognition. Once drivers are clean, run a real workload, train a tiny model or render a scene to validate sustained utilization rather than short spikes. If utilization stays at 0, move the card to another machine or swap power/PCIe slot to isolate hardware faults. Troubleshooting tip: if logs show thermal or power limits, deliberately force clocks higher for a short test to confirm whether policies or hardware are blocking use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.